The Masked Singer revealed another celebrity at the end of the show's Group B premiere. The Dalmatian was unmasked as a famous rapper with a connection to the KarJenners. The Dalmatian is Tyga. Tyga made his Masked Singer debut during the Group B premiere on September 29. He came out dressed in a football player costume and admitted that he's felt like the underdog in the past. The Dalmatian performed Snoop Dogg's Beautiful. Nick Cannon knew right away who the Dalmatian was, but he kept his mouth shut. Robin Thicke initially guessed the Dalmatian was Nelly. Jenny McCarthy believed the Dalmatian could have been Katt Williams, while Ken Jeong went with Reggie Bush. None of them guessed Tyga. The other masked singers to perform during the Group B premiere included Blackheart, Mallard, Cupcake, and Banana Split. Banana Split actually consisted of 2 singers. The masked celebs performed an amazing rendition of A Million Dreams from The Greatest Showman, with the banana on the piano and Split showing off her incredible vocals. Related gallery. Tyga, pics. In the end, the Dalmatian didn't get the votes to move forward in the competition. Blackheart, Mallard, Cupcake, and Banana Split will hit the stage once again. The remaining masked celebs will be faced with their first wild card in the next round. The winner of Group B will eventually go head-to-head with the winner of Group A. The first impression guesses from the panelists were Nelly, one of the Lils, Steve Harvey, and Reggie Bush. After he was unmasked, Tyga revealed why he decided to do the show. "I saw Lil Wayne do it. That just inspired me," he said. Lil Wayne was revealed as the robot in the show's Season 3 premiere. The Masked Singer has already unmasked a number of amazing celebrities. The first celebrity to be unmasked was NBA player Dwight Howard, who was the octopus. In the second episode of Season 6, both the pufferfish and Mother Nature. Toni Braxton was Pufferfish, while Vivica A. Fox was Mother Nature.